Some such stones have been installed on the structure of a temple in Lebanon, which astonished the human mind. The weight of each stone is as much as 3 blue wells, and surprisingly they were not only cut into one piece with great skill, but also it was transported from a distance of 1.5 kilometers and that 2000s of years ago. But the mystery is that till date no such civilization of humans has passed which is famous for cutting such big stones. Has any such civilization also passed in history? Who had that knowledge which we do not have today? To investigate these stones, a team of German archaeologists started digging on the ear of the stone from where these stones were brought. There is still an incomplete stone present which has the weight is said to be 1,200 tons, i.e. about the same as 4 Boeing 74s. After digging here, archaeologists found some evidence inside the ground which is very difficult to believe. Once again in the videos of the current chronicles. Happy Nazarene, there is a city named Baalbek in the east of the Baika Valley of Lebanon, where people come from all over the Candrea of the Roman Empire. But the interesting thing is that as seen from above, it was in the era of Candrea, but below this there is some evidence of archaeology have been found which have no connection with the Roman Empire, at least not yet. There is a temple built by the ancient Romans which is called the Temple of Jupiter. This temple is today, it is also a great example of the architecture and skill of the Roman Empire. But a foundation of very big stones has been found under the construction of this temple. Earlier it was thought that maybe it is not in one piece, but small stones were cut with great skill. It was added in such a way that it looked the same, but after doing various tests, it was confirmed that it was nothing but the same giant stone. This stone, which was later called Trilithon, was lifted 30 feet above a human level. Perhaps for the first time in history, this was done to estimate the size and weight of these stones. Each stone weighs 9 lakh kg, that is, 1.5 times heavier than the world's heaviest ship, Antonov A225 Maria, and the construction of the Pyramid of Giza. Despite their huge size, these stones were somehow transported from Kandahar, which is about 1.5 kilometers away from here, and then to Heliopolis. They were placed on complex blocks, on which complex blocks were then erected. The accuracy with which these stones were cut and joined together is indeed a remarkable feat, especially for an era when it was difficult to even imagine modern machinery. Because there is not even a paper-sized distance between them. If we look at Roman structures, their focus was on beauty. They wanted to show their construction skills to the world, but on the contrary, after seeing what was buried inside the Trilithon, a question comes to mind that if a civilization accomplishes such a great feat, then why would the ancient Romans, who are famous for keeping records of their every skill, hide it? Instead, they built their temple on a ready-made foundation. Apart from this, according to historians, the biggest crane available with the Romans could only lift a weight of 60 tons. Due to which it is extremely impossible for him to lift these stones weighing 900 tons, and the Romans used to make holes of a special shape in the middle of the stones which were lifted by crane, which are called Lewis holes, but we do not find any such hole of Trilithon. If there is no record of lifting the Trilithon trunks and bringing them here, then who accomplished this work with such skill? Who built the actual foundation of the Temple of Jupiter? The other stones of the Temple of Jupiter are fitted with finishing, whereas Trilithon is believed to be old, keeping all these things in mind, i.e. 10,000 years before the Roman Empire, the work which is considered impossible to be done even in today's modern era. At that time, which civilization did it and how, this is a secret about which archaeologists have not been able to tell anything till now. Just build this Trilithon temple in Baalbek. Such big stones can be seen on many makamas in the compound of Jupiter. Look at this 800-ton stone, equivalent to stairs. It is not a small thing even to move it. After this we come to the south wall, where 400-ton countless blocks of 800 tons each are found, some above the ground and many below the ground, but no one knows how deep it is in the ground. Its fitting was done with cleanliness. And this line made on the border is less than 1 millimeter. After seeing this work appears more complicated. There are some strange marks on the surface of these stones, like these marks are formed on the stones due to today's modern mining machinery. Its length is up to about 10 feet and it is completely parallel to each other. If we talk about the tools of ancient times, then there is none of them which can make this type of marks, at least. There is no such tool on the records of historians. Such tool marks have also been seen on the stones of Yinshan Quarry in China. Here there is a stone block weighing 16,000 tons on which there are marks on the same lines as that of Baalbek. Similarly, similar marks have been seen in the ancient city of Petra in Jordan. This city was also built at least 2,300 years ago by cutting the stones of the mountain. If comparison is made, then these marks are similar to the modern machinery of today, that is, even in ancient times, there was such technology which could cut stones like modern machinery, but obviously historians do not have any concrete evidence of this yet. Now let's come on the year from where these Baalbek stones were actually brought, in which the Trilithium is about 1.5 kilometers from the Temple of Jupiter, and it is a limestone here some are cut in half. It is more surprising that these stones still exist because it is known by the name of Temple of Jupiter and Complex Woman. There are many famous stories about how it got this name. It is 68 feet long, 14 feet high and 14 feet thick as per the area. Its weight has been calculated to be 1,200 tons. This stone is lying at an angle while its lower part is still connected to the ear stone, who also gave it this shape. They did not get a chance to separate the lower part of it, and perhaps they had to leave this work midway, otherwise perhaps today we would have seen this stone on the side of the Temple of Jupiter. Even today, the same lines are seen on the bottom of this stone. Markings are present that have been seen on other stones of the Temple of Jupiter. A model of the pregnant woman stone is placed in the Jungfrau Park in Switzerland, surrounded by models of some modern cranes. The purpose of erecting them is only to show that even in today's times, if a pregnant woman has to lift the stone, about 20 cranes together can do the work, and that too only when cranes are erected 50 to 60 feet around the stone. Earlier, the pregnant woman stone was half buried underground, but in 2014, when a team of archaeologists carried out an excavation here, it was found that it was even underground. The only difference was that the bottom of this block is still attached to the ear, that is, due to lying like this for thousands of years, the soil layer had buried it underground. Scientists believe that only about 1 inch of the soil layer was deposited between 80 to 100